So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to see how to make moving platforms in Godot. So first of all, you can see I have a platformer game controller, and you can see I can move my player any direction I want, and it's a very basic platformer controller. I can go left and right and jump. So now let's create some platforms that move. So first of all, you can go on your main scene and click on plus icon and search for animatable body 2D, and now click on create. So now you can just rename it as moving platform, and you can just go here and plus icon and add a sprite 2D node, and you can go here and add collision shape, and now you need to go on the sprite 2D node, and once you have done that you can go on the sprite 2D node and you can just take some platform texture from your file explorer to the inspector, and now you can just go on the region part. You can enable the region, click on edit region, and you can see this type of window. So I want to move this thing, so let's take this and let's click on close, so you can see something like this. So I have already scaled each of my asset to 5 times, so let me scale this one as well. So let's go on transform and let's scale this to 5 times. And now we need to go on the collision shape 2D node here, and we need to add a collision shape to it as well. So let's add this, so you can see. Okay, so you can just do it something like this, and now let's make it on the here, and now you can just click on your animation player, and if you don't have animation player on your scene, you can add one through plus icon. You can go here and search for animation player, and you can find it and you can create one and add it on here. Now you can see the animation player here. Now you can go on the animation, click on new, and create an animation called as platform move, and click on OK. So now you can just make your platform you want. So for example, I want my platform to move from here, let's say move from here to this part. Okay, so what we need to do, we need to go on transform and click on this key icon here and click on create, and now you can set the time. So I want it to be like 4 seconds, and so first of all you can just go and add on the last frame and move your platform by holding shift, and you can see I can just go here and click on this icon as well. So if you now play your animation, you can see it's going like this, but it will not come back. So you can click on this loop icon. So if I run it, you can see it's come back like this. If you don't want it to come back like this, there is a trick. You can just drag this key to middle of your duration. So if I do this, you can see if I run this, it will go on the end part and come back like this. So we have now a moving platform ready. But if I run this scene, you can see the platform is not moving. So you need to move it through script tab. So you can just click on your main scene and go on your script tab, and now you can just use this animation player here, and now click on dot play, and now you can select your animation and save it. So now if you run it, you can see your animation, your platform is moving as well. So let me jump on it. Okay, too quick. OMG. Gee, it's so fast. So now I am here. Okay, so you can see the platform is moving in, and you can move your platform in any direction you want. You can make it move, go up and down. You can make it move zigzag, or you can create an elevator from this method as well. Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe button as well, and share this video to your friends. Thanks for